Yo, what's up? This is James.
This is Faith.
And this is a show where you learn some new things because of the quarantine in a little segment we like to call
You Think You Know a Person.
Exactly. Now, I already gave you guys the stats on how long we dated, how long we've been married, engaged, etc. The thing that I am still struggling with, even though I know this woman partially, as you can see from this series, Faith is obviously preparing for some sort of belching competition that I'm unaware of because she can burp with the best of them. Clearly, she is trying to get the top spot in this year's competition and possibly solidify the top 3 spots for the following years. Now, I know it's a normal bodily function. I know this, but I don't think that women should be burping to win awards. Seriously. I need to find a doctor that can help us out with this because we gotta get this resolved. This is crazy. What is going on here?
Now, I do burp. You know, it's natural. I have no comeback for that. Because if I'm out in public, I will not do the whole loud burp. I don't do the loud burp if I'm out in public. I really don't. It's more so at home because I'm comfortable. I'm in my own home. I'm in my own environment where I can just do what I want. But if I'm in public, I will, my mom fusses at me for doing it. She really does.
Yes.
She's fussed at me for years. And I've had, other people who have came at me for how I burp. My big sisters, I love y'all, looking out for me and have told me how to appropriately do that, belch around my man. But my thing is, I've known you for years. You're used to it now. So, what's the issue? Whatever.
No. I don't care how many years you know me. That is one of them things where I'm like, well, how can I help her fix this? I can understand, like, you drink a soda, you're gonna burp, right? But you are literally trying to set either a record or preparing for whatever competition there is, and that joint be loud. Truth be told, and I'll be honest for a second, I thought that I was just being petty at first. I was like, oh man, like, this is just me expecting women not to do this, expecting women not to do that. But when I heard your mom chime in, I don't know why you do that. I was like, oh Lord Jesus.
That was all the validation
That was all I needed.
When my mama says it, it is so.
Stamped.
I don't know,
Yeah.
I do it, and I'm sorry. I be trying to work with it and trying to fix it. For me to have to, not for it to be loud, I have to think in my head consciously, okay, I'm about to burp, and sometimes the burp just comes up, and I don't have the time to think about how I need to, appropriately,
What? You would think that there's a microphone in your throat. It's like, all right, we're getting ready to burp again.
It's natural. People burp. They pass gas. It's a natural bodily function. And
that I do not want to be privileged to hear.
And I know, and I've been told if my man doesn't like it, then I need to work on that. And I was doing good for a while.
Yeah. And then the quarantine.
I've been at home comfortable with my feet up.
I need you to get to a level of discomfort then. I ain't gonna lie, it be making me think like, man, should I be burping louder? Or
competition.
No, not even competition. I'm trying to drown you out so it doesn't sound as bad. I can hear you from other rooms. And that's when I know there's a problem.
And I'm gonna start working on it again because if it bothers you that much, then it bothers me. So I need to work on it.
And I appreciate that because that is different.
My sisters and my mom, don't come for me because please don't.
Please do.
No.
Please do.
We talked about this already, and he's bringing it, I'm working on it.
Look at God. We might not even have to get no comments. There's gonna be a woman already, I know. Burping is natural. Like, she's gonna write that, and they're gonna come to your defense. I already know that Team Faith is pretty strong. However, I'm still gonna ask.
So ladies, do you burp around your man, or is it as big as a problem as he's making it?
It's a problem.
Or should we not?
Let me know if y'all think this is just a big of an issue or I'm just tripping. Ladies, I know y'all gonna tell me I'm tripping, but you may not. Just drop a comment. Let us know how you feel about the whole topic of burping loudly, women burping in general. And yeah, we're just gonna go from there. This is James.
This is Faith.
And this was You Think You Know a Person.